Welcome. Today, let's walk through how to create a brand new public channel on Telegram, step by step, using the latest method for 2025. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from your app store and sign in with your phone number. Once you're in, look for the edit or pencil icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on this icon to bring up a menu of options. From the menu, select New Channel. You'll be prompted to tap Create Channel to begin the setup process. Now, it's time to give your channel a name. Choose something clear and memorable that reflects the purpose of your channel. You also have the option to add a description. While this step is optional, a brief description helps potential subscribers understand what your channel is about and what kind of content they can expect. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of channel. Since you want your channel to be public and discoverable by anyone on Telegram, select Public. Now, you'll need to create a unique public link for your channel. This link is how people will find and join your channel, so make it easy to remember and relevant to your channel's name or topic. Telegram will check if your chosen link is available. If it's not, try a slight variation until you find one that works. After confirming your public link, tap to confirm and finalize the creation of your channel. Telegram may prompt you to add a display picture at this stage. This can be your logo, a relevant image, or even an emoji to give your channel a recognizable look. Once everything is set, tap the checkmark, or Done, to complete the setup. Your new public channel is now live. You can start inviting people directly from your contacts, or simply share your channel link anywhere you like. Anyone can now find, join, and follow your updates. With your channel ready, you're all set to start sharing content and building your community on Telegram. Thanks for following along. Enjoy connecting with your new audience.